Picture your favorite politician as a vintage typewriter, clunky, loud, and desperately in need of a ribbon replacement. Every question they're asked is met with the gentle clack-clack of keys, except half of them are stuck, and the other half have forgotten what the shift key does. Instead of clear answers, you get jammed metaphors, smudged logic, and that one stubborn key that always types tax cuts no matter the topic. Need a modern solution? Sorry, they're still using carbon copy paper, ensuring every outdated talking point is duplicated across every debate and press conference. Meanwhile, the return lever is stuck, sending their arguments right back to the 1970s, recycling the same tired slogans like a broken record. And don't even try to ask for transparency. Just like a typewriter with a jammed cover, you'll only get a vague rattle and a cloud of dust, obscuring the truth beneath layers of obfuscation. So next time you hear a politician's speech, listen for the telltale ding, signaling it's time to start the same old line all over again. Because in their world, every issue can be solved with enough whiteout, a lot of noise, and zero progress.